Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to understand TCP header format in computer networks. The concepts of the basics, the protocols of transport layer we have discussed in our previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. And every video on our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now, in this class, we will try to have the fields of the TCP header, the clear description about each and every field we will try to understand from our next video. So here each row is of 32 bits. Each row is of 32 bits. So this header is same as that of the IPv header. So the minimum length, minimum number of minimum size and the maximum size. So all those concepts are very much similar to that of the IP header. So here each row is of 32 bits. 32 bits, which means 4 bytes of space. So we have 5 rows of mandatory rows. 5 mandatory rows means these are the rows which should be there for every TCP header, and we are having a 40 byte 0 to 40 bytes of optional space. So these 40 bytes 0 to 40 bytes can be used as an options. So the minimum size of the TCP header is 20 bytes, 4 into 5. As we have 5 rows and each row have 4 bytes capacity, we have 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So these 5 rows we are going to have a minimum size. Minimum size of the TCP header is 20 bytes, and the maximum size is 20 plus 40. 40 means this options, 20 plus 40, which is 60 bytes of maximum size of the header. And the fields, coming to the fields of TCP header, it is source port numbers. So the source port and the destination port, this is the port number which is used at the destination, and the sequence number is for reliability. As we have discussed that TCP is an end-to-end protocol and it is a reliable protocol. It ensures the end-to-end communication between the source and destination. So the TCP is an end-to-end protocol. Okay, and the next one is acknowledgement number and header length. It is of 4 bits, and the reserve bits, these are the reserve bits which are always assigned as zeros. 6 bits are used, and after that all these are single bit fields. URG stands for urgent, ACK stands for acknowledgement, PSH stands for push, RST for reset, SYN for synchronization, and FAN for finish. So about the detailed explanation about these fields we will try to understand in our later videos. And the next one is window size. This is for flow control. Okay, next one is checksum, and the next one is urgent pointer. Okay, about each and every field we will try to understand, and below the options we are having data, and these are all the options. So if the segment requires some optional data to be added into the header, then we are going to use this optional space. About these options also we will try to understand in our later videos. So this is just a brief introduction to the TCP header. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.